Want to uncover the secrets of two iconic Italian dishes? Come with us to a gelato and pizza making class. It will be a deliciously unforgettable experience. You'll step into the best cooking studios in Milan inside the Central Market. We start making pizza from scratch. Led by expert pizzaiolo, we begin with simple ingredients: flour, water, and yeast. Mixing them, we knead the dough until it reaches the perfect consistency. After allowing it to rise, we roll it out into a beautiful base. Then, we spread on tomato sauce, sprinkle mozzarella, add fresh basil leaves, and finish with a drizzle of olive oil. The best part? Putting it in the oven and watching it bake to perfection. We absolutely nailed it. But wait, there's more. You'll dive into the world of gelato making. Discover the history of Italian ice cream, learn about the raw ingredients, and mix and churn your own creamy gelato. Once your creations are ready, it's time to indulge your taste buds and sample your mouth-watering pizza and luscious gelato. Sit back, relax, and savor the flavors of Italy. To discover this and other wonderful experiences, check out the link in bio.